Okay, so I had to remove this pipe here, just disconnect it, as you can see. Was there that middle one? So I could get to that back one with the bigger nut. And that one with the male threads on it, actually goes, had to reach in there with, dig it out, but it actually goes here. So this is an interesting transmission. It's all hydraulically controlled. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. That's why the skid steer doesn't move, because this is the oil for the that makes it move. So it's that top one here, this one here.